The AW LAKE Bi-Directional meter was the very first true bidirectional variable area flow meter on the market. The mid-scale 0 point offers clear and insightful reading while still delivering reliable performance for accuracy and repeatability, fully appropriate on low or high pressure systems. The competitively priced bidirectional flow meter maintains 4% full-scale accuracy and handles flow to 100 gallons per minute. Meter sizes start at 1/4 of an inch and go up to 2 inches with BSBB, NPT, or SAE female threaded port options. Customers can choose from aluminum, brass, and stainless steel for their oil and water applications. So if you need to measure flow in both directions and want to avoid the additional costs associated with procurement, installation, and maintenance of 2 separate flow meters, simplify by installing one LAKE Bi-Directional flow meter in your system. Visit AW LAKE's website for more information or to custom configure your own bidirectional meter using our robust 3D part configurator tool. Just another example of how AW LAKE is making flow measurement easy.